Kling AI just made a huge leap forward. Kling AI can now make video generations speak with their new feature lip sync. Check this out.
This isn't what I wanted, but I will do what I must.
Kling AI just announced this new feature called lip sync, where you upload voiceovers or songs for video, enabling the character's lip movement to perfectly sync to the audio. The effect is so natural that it feels as if the character is genuinely speaking or singing. Check out this other clip where you see this person from the Joker making this person's mouth move. This is all crazy. The fact that you can upload a clip by going from image to video and processing it, and once it's done processing, you can put lip sync, and then you can put an audio clip that's within the parameters, and it can make it talk. It's like amazing. Not only that, it animates the video as well, so it's not like a static picture and the lips just move. It's like, no, it generates the whole thing. Check this clip out from like this Mona Lisa singing.
It's all or nothing, really got a wave driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal.
So not only does it animate the whole entire video, the person moving, shaking, and singing the song, but it also generates the whole video. Here's another one, the Joker walking down the street singing the song, where you see this person walking down the street while singing, all AI generated. Kling AI just made a huge step forward, and it works for their 1.0 model and their newest 1.5 model. This is absolutely insane. You should definitely go check out this new Kling AI feature with lip sync, and I'm gonna leave you with a few more videos from the community of their generations with the lip sync, so you can see how other people are using it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I will weep for thee, for this revolt of mine is as a bank-breaking flood.
I never thought it'd come to this, you know? All the years I spent trying to keep things together, to make it right, and yet here we are. Funny how life just takes its own course.
I never thought it'd come to this, you know? All the years I spent trying to keep things together, to make it right, and yet here we are.